Ever thought about securing a job that allows you to work from your cozy home corner, doesn't demand endless chatter, and doesn't even require a college degree? Today, we dive into the top 13 data entry jobs from home, perfect for those who prefer to let their work do the talking. First up, let's talk about the role of an image review clerk. Imagine playing a crucial role in ensuring the quality and accuracy of images for settings like government agencies or private companies. This job is all about having a sharp eye for detail, making it an excellent choice for anyone with a knack for noticing the minutiae in images. With a potential annual salary ranging from $39,000 to $54,000. This role doesn't typically require a prior experience or a degree. Here are some current job postings for you to consider. This opportunity scores a solid 7 out of 10 for its balance of accessibility and rewarding work. If you're finding this information valuable and are considering a career shift or just looking to start somewhere, why not subscribe to our channel? Here at Profitability Plus, we're all about helping you find profitable and manageable work paths. Next, let's dive into the role of a risk research specialist. This position requires detailed data analysis to pinpoint and evaluate risks, typically in settings like financial institutions, insurance companies, or corporate environments where strong risk management is essential. Salaries are appealing, ranging from $75,000 to $124,000 annually. While some employers might look for a degree, your analytical skills and experience often hold more weight. Also, consider the significance of consistency and a quality setup in your home office. Creating a dedicated workspace can greatly enhance your focus and productivity, playing a crucial role in your professional success. Remember, each role is a gateway to future career growth, offering unique opportunities to enhance your skills and become more versatile in the job market. Next, let's talk about the records coordinator. Often likened to the librarian of the corporate world, this role involves organizing, maintaining, and securing electronic and paper records. Commonly found in healthcare, education, and government sectors, this job ensures efficient storage and retrieval of information. The pay ranges from $42,000 to $60,000 a year. What's great is that you can enter this field without prior experience or a degree, and you might even consider obtaining certifications in medical coding or health information management to boost your prospects. Given its accessibility and demand, especially in healthcare, this job scores a 7.5 out of 10. Moving on to freelance transcribing, an accessible and straightforward way to earn money from home. While not the most glamorous, transcribing offers a steady income with average earnings between $41,000 and $61,000 annually. This job involves listening to audio recordings and typing them out, a perfect option for those starting in the remote work arena. Given its ease of entry and decent pay, this job also earns a 7.5 out of 10. For those with multilingual skills, translation presents an excellent opportunity, especially in today's global digital landscape. Translators play a crucial role in expanding the reach of content across different languages. This role is essential for businesses looking to grow internationally, including YouTube channels that aim to reach a diverse audience. Translation is a highly valuable skill that can significantly boost your earning potential, earning it an 8 out of 10. Now, we explore the role of a chart retrieval specialist. This position involves collecting and managing medical records, ensuring they are accurate and secure for healthcare providers to review. Typically employed by hospitals, clinics, and insurance companies, specialists in this field can expect to earn between $41,000 and $57,000 a year. This job is relatively easy to secure, making it a solid choice for those looking to enter the healthcare sector, scoring a 7 out of 10. Remote chat operator. This role involves communicating with customers primarily through text. You'll handle queries ranging from customer service to sales, often in industries like e-commerce, retail, and telecommunications. These operators typically earn between $36,000 and $58,000 annually, and the role is quite accessible as it usually doesn't require previous experience or a degree. Here's a quick view of some job postings for you to check out. For its blend of ease and potential, I rate this job an 8 out of 10. If you're looking to enter a more specialized sales role, consider tech sales. I've assisted several individuals transition into tech sales, including Abdul, who landed a 70,000-year job at just 20 years old. There's free training available, which details what tech sales involves and how it could be a suitable career path for you. Check out the link in the description or the pinned comment below for this resource. Next, let's explore the role of data specialists. Tasked with extracting, managing, and analyzing data, these professionals support decision-making in tech, finance, healthcare, and retail sectors. Experience in IT or statistics is helpful, and proficiency in data visualization and programming languages like Python or R is beneficial. Salaries range from $52,000 to $85,000 annually. Check out some current job openings. This role earns an 8.5 out of 10 for its strong career potential. For those interested in the finance and healthcare sectors, the payment posting specialist might be the right fit. This role involves processing and reconciling transactions to ensure financial accuracy. With earnings between $39,000 and $55,000 a year, it's an accessible entry point into the financial operations of businesses. I rate this job an 8 out of 10. Another straightforward role is the order entry specialist, where you'll be inputting customer data into databases. This job offers an income between $38,000 and $52,000 annually and is easy to get into without any formal education or prior experience. Here are some opportunities for you to consider, and I give this role a 7 out of 10 for its simplicity and accessibility. For those skilled in data management, the data integration specialist role is worth considering. This position involves merging diverse datasets into actionable insights, vital in sectors like healthcare, finance, and retail. Entry can be challenging without some data analysis background, but the rewarding salary ranges from $90,000 to $137,000 annually. Knowledge of ETL tools and databases is crucial. This role rates a 9 out of 10 for its high earning potential and significant impact. Lastly, the sports data operator role is ideal for sports fans. This job involves attending events, collecting data, and delivering important analytics for teams or betting platforms, with potential earnings between $47,000 and $75,000 annually. Some experience or an internship may be required, but a formal degree is not always necessary. Online learning platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy can help you acquire skills in analytics tools such as Python, R, or SQL. This role is highly rewarding, merging passion with profession, and I give it an 8.5 out of 10. If you found these job profiles helpful and are considering a career shift or just looking to start in a new field, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Profitability Plus, and stay tuned for more valuable content that helps guide your career path from the comfort of your home.